We are taking a walk on the wild side today with what we have to go in our freeze dryer. If you thought she must be freeze drying frogs, you got it right. Frogs! Aren't these adorable? I saw these at Costco and I just had to get them to see if they would freeze dry, and if they do, how they would turn out. So we are going on a fun, wild adventure today with our freeze dryer. I'm also gonna combine it with one normal candy, just so you know. We have a little mixture, but this is gonna be fun. I'm excited to see how they turn out. Also, we are choosing a winner for our giveaway in today's video. We are going to choose our winner during our taste test time with the kids. That's going to be at the end of the video. So be sure to watch to see if you are our lucky winner. A few videos ago, I asked for comments to enter the giveaway, and you all gave me amazing ideas of things to freeze dry. Thank you so much to everyone who entered. I got some awesome ideas from all of you that I am going to get to work on. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for following along this fun freeze drying adventure with me. I'm having the best time, and your support means so much to me. So again, thank you. Thank you for engaging with my videos. Every like, comment, especially subscribes, all helps me to be able to grow so that I can share all of this fun content with as many people as I can. So thank you. If you're not already subscribing, hit that subscribe button. I am going to do another one of these giveaways once I reach 500 subscribers. That's going to be my next goal. I know we can do it. Help me help you. I know we can get there with the help of all of you amazing people. So subscribe. When I hit 500, I will do a fun announcement video, and we will do another giveaway for some of our fun candy. Okay, now let's get to getting these babies ready. Okay, let's get these opened and see how they look. I've never even seen these in real life before. They're kind of adorable. So cute. Okay, here's our little froggy. I'm definitely gonna have to save some out for my kids to eat. I mean, they love anything gummy, especially these darling frogs. So they'll get to have a before and after taste test. This guy lost his arm. Here's our cute froggies on our trays. I don't know how they're gonna turn out, if they're gonna puff up, so I tried to give them a decent amount of space. We will see how that goes. I need to get my freeze dryer set to start cooling, so I think I'm already in candy mode. Yep. I'm just gonna increase this. I don't know how long this is gonna take. And hit start. And close my drain valve. Important step. The next candy we are gonna put in this run are Hi-Chews. I've seen these done online, and they puff up into these pretty beautiful balls. So I've been wanting to try them for a long time. We're gonna do that now. I think these need to be cut in half because of how big they're gonna puff up. I have sanitized, clean scissors that I'm using just for candy that I'm gonna see if they cut these easily with, because it's easier to use this than a knife when it comes to sticky candy. Okay, dropped one. That worked great. We're gonna do them this size, and I think I'm gonna do 3 in a row on the tray. I ended up doing 4 across, so we will see how that turns out. And I actually calculated pretty correctly how many to cut. I only had these left over, so that was lucky. It looks like our freeze dryer is ready to go. I'm going to load these into the freeze dryer and get going. Don't forget to hit that candy process on button. I've already done that. Say goodbye to our little froggy friends. Have fun in there. And then here's the Hi-Chew candy cut in half. All right, close this guy up. Continue. All right, she's going. We will check back in a few hours and see how these guys are coming along. And then after that, we are going to choose our giveaway winner and do our taste test. I know the kids are gonna be super excited to taste these and even more excited to draw a winner. I'm gonna put all of the entries into a jar and have one of them pull it out. And I will notify you by replying to your comment on that previous post with an email address of where you can send me your address so that I can ship some yummy freeze-dried goodies to you. See you in a bit. Our process is complete. Let's see what these guys look like. Dun, da, da. Okay, I am going to hit defrost, open my drain valve, and get these guys out. Okay, these turned out so fun. Can you believe these frogs? They are hilarious. My kids are gonna die over these. I've noticed that in the freeze dryer, things don't necessarily freeze dry evenly. Like this second level tray puffed up really nicely. This top level did not get much puffage. So, I don't know. It's all right. Okay, and then these little, what did I call these? Hi-Chews. They're so cute. I probably, after seeing them now, didn't need to cut them in half. I think whole would have been just fine. If it's only double in size, then that would be fine. But we are learning as we go in this fun candy making process. So I'm gonna get these bagged up and I am going to get some to go do our taste test, and we are going to choose our giveaway winner next. What time is it, kids?
Taste test time!
All right, froggies first. Choose your froggy. What does a frog say?
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
All right, try it.
These are really good.
That one does not look like it freeze dried properly. How about your guys' look very crunchy? Oh yeah, I hear the crunch. How is it?
Good.
How is it, Boosh?
Good.
All right, thumbs up.
Uh-huh.
I gotta try some of the frog. Mmm.
Yay!
Tastes like a soury, crunchy, kind of tastes like the gummy worms and gummy bears, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How those turned out? Yeah. All right, next, Hi-Chews. All right, next, the kiddos are gonna try the Hi-Chew.
Ready?
Go.
Hard.
Nice and crunchy.
I haven't had a Hi-Chew for so long.
No. Okay, they liked the Hi-Chews. I definitely liked those. They have like a crunch at first and then they just get soft and kind of melt in your mouth as you chew them. They are super good. We're definitely gonna add Hi-Chews to the candy shop. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Lincoln is going to draw our giveaway winner. I showed you a little shot of the list of names. Did you see your name on there? Those were all the entries, and Lincoln is going to come draw a name for us. I cut them all up and put them into a bowl. All right, Lincoln, go ahead and reach in there, mix them up if you want. Close those eyes. All right, what does it say?
I don't know.
Julie Geese 9330. You're our winner.
You're a winner.
Say, I hope you enjoy freeze-dried candy.
I hope you enjoy freeze-dried candy. Woo!
Okay, congratulations to Julie. I am going to reply to your comment on that original video's post with an email address for me. I would like you to send me an email with your mailing address, and I will send you some freeze-dried goodies. So exciting. Congratulations. That wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Remember, when we get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to do another epic giveaway. Do I know what the epic giveaway is gonna be yet? No, but I'm gonna do some brainstorming because I really wanna reward my viewers. You all are awesome. I appreciate you. Thank you for the support. We will see you on the next video. I wonder what we're gonna freeze dry next.